Hey, so I've been using Table 9 Media for some time now, and it's been very effective for me. I'm a reasonably new realtor. I've been in the business just a couple of years, and I will say that it's been extraordinarily effective at generating leads, and it's turned into sales. I mean, recently we've had a couple of sales using the system, and I think the most important thing is that it's constantly touching your clients. So when I find a new client and I set them up on an automatic search, they're hearing from me, but they're constantly being touched by the CRM. So whether that's an email or whether it's a text, and it's a constant reminder that we're taking care of them and we care about them. And it's been extraordinarily effective at helping to generate new leads. And that's the name of this game, is generating new leads. But the most important thing is the constant touch points. Because if you're busy, and I'm not that busy yet, but as you start to get busier, nobody has time to do this. You do not have time to send people emails and texts and craft different emails all the time. So the touch points are extraordinarily important, and the system has been very useful. And I think as you sort of build your database, I mean, some people move fairly quickly and some move slower because I just simply don't have time to make all those calls just to screen people down to the point where they become a buyer or a seller. I just don't have time to do it all. I have some time, but not enough to do it effectively. So it's been extraordinarily effective. And good job, Tejas and Fred.